Some homes suffer from rat problems, but rarely do you have a sea rat causing havoc in your home unless you are Gillian McCabe from Aberdeen. In this hilarious footage, you can see the winged fiend flapping around the cooking space of the 40-year-old's home.
For f***'s sake, this could only happen to me, could it? Get to Dublin.
Oh, it's a friendly seagull.
It's not a friendly seagull. It's friendly about it.
It's a cow.
It's not a pal. It's your pal. You. Mum, I can't cope with this. I bet you want me to. It's a what?
Gillian said despite us nicknaming it the friendly seagull, I think they are flying rats and Aberdeen ones are huge and scary. My daughter wanted to keep it as we already had a cat, a dog, a house rabbit, a hamster and look after my friend's parrot from time to time.